What's going on, everybody? In today's video, we're going to be canceling our Streamlabs OBS subscription. Alright guys, so this shouldn't take very long. In order to get started, obviously open up your web browser and head on over to streamlabs.com. Now after you're here, you're going to want to make sure that you're signed in, and then you're going to go to your dashboard. Alright, so after you're here, again, you are signed in, and you're going to click on your profile icon here on the top right, and then you're going to scroll down to memberships. So all you have to do is obviously click on the cancel membership here, and then they're going to ask you why. In my case, for right now, it's too expensive. After you're done with that, you can click on continue canceling, and of course it's going to tell you all the things that you're going to lose. They're going to try to keep you there as long as they can. So of course you're going to click on continue to cancel, and then once again it's going to show you the stuff that you're going to lose if you decide to cancel. You're going to click on yes, I acknowledge and confirm that I understand I will lose whatever it is that you're going to lose, and then one more time continue to cancel. After that, you should get this page. It says success, confirming we've received your cancel membership request. Here's what to expect. You will not be charged for your upcoming thing, which mine is just in a couple of days. Goes on to say your ultra paid features will not be available after that date. And then if you want to see what's in the starter plan, you can click on here. And then after you're done with that, it should bring you back to your memberships page, and it will show that you are no longer subscribed. You guys can see here, Streamlabs Ultra membership, resubscribe, which obviously means we're not subscribed anymore. And then it'll show you when your subscription is going to expire. In my case, it'll expire just before Christmas. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and I will see you on the next video.